Hi everybody, I'm making nachos for dinner. Really nice nachos. Got some prime outside skirt. We got it on the drum. We're gonna sear these. Boy, this is nice and hot. Season them with some cash cow. And believe it or not, this is wacky. Hallelujah lime. Hallelujah lime's gonna give you a little heat, a little nice basic seasoning, but also that lime, the citrus, is gonna pop right out. Great thing about the drum that people forget about the BPS drum is you can raise and lower the firebox. So I can do some really good searing. And boy, it's hot, okay? Somebody tells you it's not hot, they're lying. Just a light dusting on the other side. It's thin meat, you don't have to over-season it. Well, I don't mind over-seasoning, I got grandkids. What the heck does that mean, Sterling? It's looking really good. Trying to get some crisscross. So, close over here. Here, this way. Now it's almost done. I wish this camera had smell-o-vision because this really, really smells good. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna get it nice and cooked. I'm gonna lower the fire basket because I'm gonna melt the nachos in this drum. Then we're gonna assemble the nachos. I'm very happy. This makes me very happy. This is gonna be a really nice dish. Trust me, don't try it at all. A little more caramelization and I'm there. Nachos are so fun, but to do them right, you gotta build them, you gotta assemble them. It's not just laying a bunch of chips on them and plopping some stuff. When you do it that way, the only people who like it are the people who eat the tops. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this up, chips, beans, cheese, meat. Chips, beans, cheese, meat. Chips, beans, cheese, meat. And then at the end, I'll hit it with the cilantro, the cotija, the pico de gallo, the queso, the salsa, the jalapenos, and the crema. That sounds good. So let me chop this meat up and save this juice. Hold on. I think you guys are going to like this. Nice chunks. I'm going to get brownie points for this, I know. Little Louie is going to love this. She's going to be so happy. And if not, more for me. So we've got our meat there. Now we're doing this in a half a sheet pan. Kind of fun. Where are my chips? Here they are. Some nice refried beans. So here we go. One layer on the bottom. Don't have to go too crazy because we're going to mound it pretty good. Beans. Meat. We're saving up for 3 layers. Put the cheese in here. Some jack. Some hearty Mexican shredded. Now we're going to hit it with more. And if you get hungry, it's okay to have a bite. More beans, more meat, one more load, some nice Mexican melting cheese. Okay, and one last layer. Not as tough. Beans. But I think you guys know the drill now. Now for a party, this is just the best. And these sheet pans make it really fun. You got a football game, a boxing, UFC, even golf. We'll let golf do it. Okay, this time, I'm also going to put a little salsa in it. Some mild salsa. A little base coat in there. Now the final cheese. So we're going to go outside on the drum. We're going to melt this, and then we're going to bring it back and top it with the cold stuff, which is the crema, the pico de gallo, the guacamole, the queso. I think we're golden. Okay, we've loaded them up. Okay, can't lie, I added some queso too. There we go. About 5 to 10 minutes, check it. You don't want to burn it because, you know, the fire was pretty hot because it was up near the grate and now it's down there. So let's set our timer and we're good to go. 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Here we go. Okay, now we build them, which is really fun. This is a hatch chili queso that I made yesterday. I really think it's nice having queso in the refrigerator because you never know when you've got some people that show up. A couple of these extra pieces of meat go in here with the pico. Okay, we're gonna put these little hatch chili jalapeno only on half because Louie doesn't eat these. I love them, she doesn't, so this is my side. The quickest guacamole known to man. There we go. 2 ingredients. So here we go. Smash this up. Jalapeno lime. I used to do it just hallelujah, but now I use this lime because I really like the citrus bun. I like to spread it out. I don't like it when, with the nachos, the guacamole's in the center, the sour cream's in the center. Plus, I don't like sour cream on it because sour cream is really just a big cold blob. So I like to use Mexican table cream. How about a little cotija cheese, crumbled, and the last, well, almost the last. It's kind of fun, no rules. Cilantro. And we are ready to eat.